I am up 16.24% on $3.5 million of family money so far this year, 2025. Been just doing a few trades. And the reason I'm actually at this point, I think, is because I got help, and I believe that this is really the only proven way to be consistently profitable trading options is to be able to stick to someone that has a lot or had a lot of success with options and still has some. This is what happened to me basically. I think it was probably 6 or 7 years back, and I got help with someone who was in their 70s, but he was a really good option seller, and he was really rich and everything. And I just kind of learned his decision making, and I believe this is really the only way to be able to learn the decision making, learn exactly how the markets work, learn the seasonality of commodities, especially because it's a bit more complicated. And yes, I'm definitely pitching my service here for the Options Academy, where I work one-on-one with people. Now there's absolutely no upfront cost for it, so it's completely free to begin with. So there's no monthly fee. It doesn't work like that. Basically, I take all the risk on myself, and it's purely performance based. So basically, if I'm able to make you money, then I get my share. But otherwise, all the risk is on me. I think it's fair this way, and it incentivizes me to do a good job. And so far, I've been working with, I believe, 12 people, and we've been getting some really good results, and they've been learning really well. So if you're interested, just email me below in my email address in the description. I truly believe this is really the only way to profitably trade options. This is the last trade that I closed this year so far for the full profit target of 30%. The profit target was 30% on this trade. And you'll be able to join my academy. I have a bunch of resources here. And again, it's all free. I'm working on a back tester, which costs a lot of money to make, especially for futures options because of all the different expirations. And it will be available in the coming months. Just takes a ton of money to not even collect the data, but to just be able to develop the whole system to actually be useful. And then also have my future analysis that I give every single week. And some of these are, I make these using some paid subscriptions, and I pay over like $600 or $700 in monthly subscriptions. And then this is the exact analysis that I do for everything: seasonality patterns, the technical analysis, fundamental analysis for each of the products that I trade. And this is, I guess, how you can kind of pick my mind, because I've been doing it for about 9 years. I'm, like I said, managing about $3.5 billion of family capital. And we're doing really well. 2024 was 69% profit year. But this is about it. And, again, I'm shamelessly just plugging in my service, because I do believe it actually helps. Courses don't help. They are just a waste of time, in my opinion. This is why I only, share all the information I have for free. But even that is not enough. You do need some kind of guidance to, with actual training to be able to be really good at trading and kind of get the point of how things work. Any business in the world is the same thing, the same way. If you're, if you want to be really good at flipping houses, so, obviously you can learn on your own. It will take you a lot of time. You might make a lot of mistakes, might not even make it. But if you kind of follow and shadow someone that does it full time and has been doing it for quite a few years, you'll learn a ton of stuff that would have taken you forever to learn by yourself. So this is no different. Trading is definitely more complicated than a lot of things, because the decision making here is not clear, especially in different situations in the market. So come join me, trade with me with the academy. Let me know if you're interested. If yes, email me. And hopefully, we'll make some money together. Thank you so much. You have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one.